Hello everyone. Happy Navratri to all of you. Today our recipe is almond banana crumble cake, and this is Navratri special, so there is no maida, no sugar, and it's a low in carbs. So let's start. We are taking one elaichi banana and finally chopping it, and then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of almond flour and 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 5 to 6 raisins and 5 to 6 almonds, and we are using peanut butter. You can make it at home, and then jaggery powder, and now Shuddh Desi Ghee 2 tablespoons. So now we are mixing all the dry ingredients like almond flour and coconut flour, and then we are putting 1 to 2 tablespoons of a Shuddh Desi Ghee and mix it well. Then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of a jaggery powder. The sweetness you can increase. If you want more sweetness, then you can add 1 more tablespoon of a jaggery powder. The mixture should be like this. Basically it's a sand like structure. If you are finding it very dry, you can add 1 more tablespoon of a ghee or 1 tablespoon of a milk also. And now grease your baking dish with the Shuddh Desi Ghee and make sure all the sides are greased well, because we are going to add layers of bananas and almond crumble. The first layer we had started with the almond crumble. Pat it nicely so that the mixture is flattened, and by the time you can preheat your oven at 180 degree for 5 to 6 minutes. And if you are using your oven, you can bake at 180 degree for 10 to 15 minutes. And if you are using your microwave, you can also use your microwave for 10 minutes. And now we are adding the almond layer, and again banana crumble cake is basically kind of layering. You can decrease or increase your number of layering. And now we are going to add 1 more layer of banana and arrange it nicely, and then we will finally add our almond crumble layer on the top, and then pat it nicely. Okay. Yes. And now we are garnishing with some chopped almond. You can use also pistachio. And now I am going to add some raisins for garnishing, and then we are putting it in our microwave. I am using microwave for first of all 5 minutes, and let's see. First of all, I saw if my crumble cake is not crispier from the upper side, then again I had put it in the microwave for more 5 minutes. Wow, now it looks crunchy from the upper side. I'm going to add some peanut butter. It's just like an icing on the cake. I'm using peanut butter. You can also use full cream, or you can make at home also cream, and spread it nicely on the top. Now our banana crumble cake is ready to eat. Wow, it looks yummy and it's crunchy in taste. I think you guys enjoy this crumble banana cake. Thank you for watching.